Guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's not exactly morning, it's past 11 or even going to 12. Yeah guys, yesterday I couldn't upload a vlogmas. I was really tired, so I missed out on yesterday. I'm so sorry guys, but today my vlogmas is going to be about my hair. I'm going to be making the crochet braids I received from Beyond Beauty. Actually, I won this hair as a giveaway from a fellow YouTuber's channel, Delia's Empire. Very nice girl. Please do check out her channel. But the hair was from Beyond Beauty and it was sent to me, and I have received this hair for over 2 weeks now. I've been so lazy to install it, so today I said I must. So think that 2 days back I prepped my hair for installing the crochet braid. As you can see, it's a bit rough already. I did the new crochet braid pattern, which I also learned from Delia's Empire's page. I will put a short clip of how I made this pattern for you guys to see. It makes the crochet look like they are individual braids, especially at the front. So it's a bit old since 2 days I did it. Now that I want to install the braids, I cannot take it off and start doing a new one. I will install it on it and it will come out fine, don't worry guys. So guys, without talking too much, let me go and show you the hair I'm talking about and how I'm going to be installing it. Yeah, I might not show you a detailed video, or maybe I'll show you a detailed video, depends on how my children allow me. You know, motherhood. So guys, let's go and install my crochet braid from Beyond Beauty hair on Amazon. They are very nice. The hair is so soft. And in short, let me show you, let me not talk too much. So guys, like I said, I won this hair from a fellow YouTuber's channel, and the hair is from Beauty Beyond. So it came in this pack from Amazon, 6 packs. So I'll be making it in this video. Let's crochet it now. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it for me, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she's feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me pay or chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. Like I said, let me take a shipping and some accessories. Bulaka. She
She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Cha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it for me, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
So guys, as you can see, I used complete 5 for my hair. I am done. I am going to style it soon and I will be back to make a short video for you guys, a sit down talk video. Yeah, so I am done with the hair. This is how the back looks like. When I style it, I will come back to show you how it is. You see, the front looking like individual braid because of the pattern I use in crochet. See it? So guys, let me go style it and I'll be back. Oh, my Christmas hair is ready. Yay. So guys, I am back. Remember I told you all I was going to style my hair after I finished the other time. So I have styled it and this is how it came out. Guys, isn't this beautiful? See, you cannot imagine how soft this hair is. Oh my god, I'm loving it. And it's so long. It's 18 inches. I used 5 pack out of the 6 pack that was sent to me. Guys, the video I put of me making it is not so detailed, but before now I have other videos of me installing Faux Locs crochet braid. If you want to see how you can install yours so easily, then search for it on my channel here. It didn't take me up to 1 hour. What is 1 hour? Maybe about 30-40 minutes, even with kids disturbing me. Fast I finished it. See? You see that pattern? I did it. The front part looks like individual braids. I am so loving this. This is my Christmas hair. I am set for Christmas. I am set for Christmas. So guys, that is it with my hair video. So before we finish today's vlog, which is my vlogmas day 12. Oh, I didn't do vlogmas yesterday, so let's call this vlogmas day 11 and 12. Yes. So before we finish, well, from the title you can see I said I have a problem. Yes, I have a big problem, an addiction that I need help with. I need your help, guys. I don't know. This has been happening for a while now. Not for a while, for a long time. I just have this addiction. I don't know what to do about it. I'm addicted. Yes, I am addicted to shopping, especially online, guys. That's my addiction. Don't worry, that's my problem. Some people already think it was something big. I was trying to give you guys suspense, you know. It's not a clickbait because it's a problem actually. I'm addicted to shopping, especially online. You know, especially now that we're on lockdown, no movement and all that, but the online stores are working. I am shopping and shopping. Guys, it's not as if I have this money so much to shop. This last Friday sales was the worst. I had to pay my husband to use his card for some of them. But aside that, I shopped with my card. And even though I don't spend above my income, guys, no, I don't spend above my limits. I love fashion actually. I love dressing up. But you know, I am not rich yet to do those fancy, so I spend according to my pocket, to my budget. But still, if you're calling like over 300 euros my budget, I don't know, because that is kind of huge for me at the moment. It's Christmas, there are a lot of responsibilities and all. I just keep shopping and shopping. Oh my god. And the Black Friday sales didn't even help matters, guys. I'm going to show you a few bags of what I have shopped, and some are still coming. That's why I have not done my haul video, try on haul or haul, clothing haul, because I was planning to do a haul video, but some others are still hanging. They've not been delivered, so I'm waiting for them to add everything together to do a haul video for you guys. Yes, I spent over 300 euros during this short period to shop online, guys. Actually, when I'm sad or in a moody state, you know the two things that uplift my mood somehow? First one is good food, like that forbidden food that I told myself that I won't eat because I don't want to gain calories, I don't want to get fat and all that. I go for it. I go for it and I eat it with passion. It uplifts my mood. And the second one is shopping. Shopping online especially. Let me emphasize it. Online. I just go, sometimes I don't even buy, I just go around, just looking around, clicking, adding to my carts, just uplifts my mood somehow. I don't know why. Who is like me? I don't know. I think many women are like me actually, but that is me. As we talk, even with the money I've spent, with some of the things I got, I still have a lot on my cart. Stuff that I still like, that I would like to buy, but you know, money they have now. There's no money. Let me just show you a glimpse of the few that I have received, and more that still come. So I'm going to be doing like a huge haul soon enough. Maybe by next week there'll be a huge haul, or by this weekend, because I'm expecting my last orders this week. Let me show you a few, especially from Shein. I shopped a lot from Shein this period. Shein official. So guys, like I said, I am just shopping like crazy. These are some of them. I don't know if you can see them very well. I have opened some, you know, of course, out of impatience, to test them. I've won like 2 or 3. Stay in the house, plain dress up, because we are locked down, nowhere to go. These are some of the bags. These are 4 bags here. I'm still waiting for like maybe 2 more bags. Well, it's not such a huge haul, but it's huge. Like buying like almost 12-13 clothes within 1 month. That is huge. So guys, I'll be doing a Shein haul for you guys soonest. And not just Shein actually, because there are some online stores here in Greece that I shop with too. I shopped a bit from them. And shoes, I didn't really buy much shoes. I bought just 2 shoes because I really have shoes. I have shoes, yes, that's for sure. But I really bought clothes, and guess what? I bought some accessories also from AliExpress. That is not even included because this is going to be a strictly clothing haul. So imagine, guys, I think my calculations is even wrong. If I'm not mistaken, I spent up to 400 euros. So that is my ambition slash problem, and I don't know when to stop. Just imagine when I become rich, when I have more money. What will happen? My fellow addicts in the house, my fellow shopaholic addicts, how is it over there? How are you all doing? Tell me I'm not alone, right? So guys, that is all for my today vlogmas day 10 and 11 or 11 and 12. Guys, I'm always forgetting. Okay, that's it for my today's vlogmas. But the highlight of my vlogmas is my beautiful hair, guys. Are you seeing it? You can style it anyhow you want. See, I'm hoping to style it up. I'm loving my hair so much. My Christmas hair is ready. Wow. See? So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you.